हरि ओं श्री महालक्ष्मी अष्टकं फलश्रुति महालक्ष्म्याष्टकं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिमवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा। महालक्ष्मी अष्टकं स्तोत्रं यः पठेत् भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिम् अवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा। यह भक्तिमान् नरः महालक्ष्मी अष्टकं स्तोत्रं पठेत् सः भक्तिमान् नरः सर्वसिद्धिम् अवाप्नोति राज्यं प्राप्नोति सर्वदा प्राप्नोति। यह भक्तिमान् नरः எந்த ஒரு மனிதன் பக்தியுடனும் ஸ்ரத்தையுடனும் இந்த மகாலட்சுமி அஷ்டக ஸ்தோத்திரத்தை படிக்கிறானோ, he who recites, yah bhaktiman naraha, he who recites this Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Stotram with bhakti and shraddha, what does he get? Sarva siddhim avapnoti, he gets all the siddhi. We saw in the previous shloka, third or fourth shloka, siddhi buddhi pradedevi, in that we saw siddhi means all the ashta siddhi. So one who recites this Ashtakam with bhakti and shraddha, he gets what? He gets all the Ashtasiddhi. Not only that, he even reaches moksha, Atma Sakshatkaram happens for him. And Rajyam Prapnoti, he gets the Rajyam means not only externally living with prosperity, but also internally. Inner prosperity is also important, right? How we prosper internally. So he gets that prosperity also. Sarvada means always. He with her anugraham gets or prospers. Next shloka. Ekakale pathennityam mahapapa vinashanam dvikalam yah pathennityam dhanadhanya samanvitaha. Ekakale pathet nityam mahapapa vinashanam dvikalam yah pathet nityam dhanadhanya samanvitaha. Yaha, one who recites this shloka, ekakale pathet, nityam pathet. If one recites this shloka once every day, what happens? What does he get? Mahapapa vinashanam. All his mahapataka doshas, all his papa is destroyed. We have accumulated over many janmas, many papams over many janmas. So all that is destroyed when one reads this Ashtakam once daily, ekakale. Next line, yaha, he who recites this shloka twice every day, what does he get? Dhanadhanya samanvitaha, he will be bestowed with dhanam and dhanyam. We have to remember that he accumulates this dhanam and dhanyam through dharma marga. Even when we say our purushartha, dharma, artha, kama, we have to first do our swadharma. Through that dharma, through the right means, we have artha sampadanam, means dhana sampadanam. With that dhanam that I got through right means dharma marga, I fulfill my kama, which is the third purushartha. That is what here it is told when one recites this Ashtakam twice every day, he gets dhanam and dhanyam. He will enjoy dhanam and dhanyam. How does he enjoy? Because he is doing the dharma karyam by reciting this Ashtakam. His dharma is to recite, his duty is to recite this Ashtakam. So he recited it. Through that, he was bestowed with dhanam and dhanyam. That is how we have to understand here. So if one reads it once every day, mahapapa vinashanam, and one reads it twice every day, dhanadhanya samanvitaha, he will enjoy dhanam and dhanyam. He will be with dhanam and dhanyam. Next shloka. Trikalam yah pathen nityam mahashatru vinashanam mahalakshmir bhaven nityam prasanna varada shubha. Trikalam yah pathet nityam mahashatru vinashanam mahalakshmihi bhavet nityam prasanna varada shubha. Now what happens when one reads this thrice, 3 times every day? Yaha bhaktiman naraha, we have to take from the first phalashruti. Yaha bhaktiman naraha, one who recites this with bhakti and shraddha 3 times every day. Yaha bhaktiman naraha trikalam nityam pathet. What happens to him? Mahashatru vinashanam. All his enemies are destroyed. When we say enemies, not only externally, but internally we have kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. So many enemies are inside, sitting inside. Because they are causing hindrance in our progression towards moksha. So those inner enemies of us will also be destroyed when one reads this Ashtakam 3 times every day. And once our inner Shatru, enemy, is destroyed, what happens? Atma Sakshatkaram happens. We become one with Mahalakshmi Devi, Aikyam with Mahalakshmi Devi. Why? Because Chitta Shuddhi happens. By reading this Ashtakam every day, Chitta Shuddhi, purity of mind, happens. And so we get closer every day towards becoming Aikyam with Devi. So once our inner Shatrus are destroyed, Chitta Shuddhi happens, and finally we are closer to Aikyam with Devi. What do we see her? How do we see her? We see her in her Nitya Swarupam. Mahalakshmi Bhavet, Nityam Bhavet Mahalakshmi. We see her in her Nitya Swarupam, in her Prasanna Swarupam, pleasing Swarupam. Varada, she fulfills all her bhaktas' wishes. So we see her in her Varam giving Swarupam and Shubha, Mangala Swarupam. We can also take this shloka to mean that whoever recites this shloka with bhakti and shraddha, trikalam, 3 times every day, in that house Mahalakshmi will always stay in her prasanna, varada and shubha swarupam, in her pleasing, varam giving, mangala swarupam. See, our true house is our shariram only, our body. So we can take this to mean as to realize or become Aikyam with Devi by destroying all our inner Shatrus, or it could mean that Devi would destroy those who are causing trouble to her bhaktas, that is our outside enemies, and she would do anugraham in her Nitya Prasanna Varada Shubha Swarupam. We will see all the 3 shlokas together now. Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Stotram Yah Pathet Bhaktiman Naraha Sarva Siddhimavapnoti Rajyam Prapnoti Sarvada Ekakale Pathen Nityam Mahapapa Vinashanam Dvikalam Yah Pathen Nityam Dhanadhanya Samanvitaha Trikalam Yah Pathen Nityam Mahashatru Vinashanam Mahalakshmir Bhaven Nityam Prasanna Varada Shubha. Ram 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 Ram.